rising costs, increasing regulations, labor shortages. These are just a few of the challenges today's fresh produce companies face. Aptean can help transform your business into an agile, dynamic winner with a scalable, future-proof solution built for the unique needs of your fresh produce business. With Aptean's enterprise-wide ERP software solutions, you control every aspect of your business. From growers and packers to producers and distributors, the solution allows everyone to work together at every stage of the business, sharing the same accurate real-time data. Packed with features and functionality to help you understand performance and make real-time decisions. See which crops made the most profit. Track end-to-end traceability of both product and costs. Ensure food safety and quality. And meet regulatory and customer requirements for traceability, all the way from field to fork. With capabilities like demand forecasting, you'll know exactly what you can expect to sell and what you need to source or produce. You can easily track the cost of production and pinpoint areas where you need to be more efficient and more profitable. You can even discover opportunities where you can automate processes and optimize the resources you have. Growing your fresh produce business for success with Aptean.